Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and it's train time. Well, I'm in Point of Rocks, Maryland today. Kind of cool out, 37 degrees, but still not bad. Sunny with a little bit of clouds, but we didn't get the ice and snow and all that crap that the Northeast got. We just have rain. But just listening to my scanner, so we're going to have two CSX trains coming, a double stack coming, and probably about 10 minutes behind that, there'll be a coal train coming, and then I think about 20 minutes after that, we'll have Amtrak's 30 Capital Limited coming down. So this should be pretty cool. A lot of action here. see it, but there's snow on top of the coal. Wow, that was pretty cool. Like I said, I don't know if you noticed, but there was a lot of snow on top of that coal there. That was pretty neat. Oh, that was nice. 2 ALC 42 units. Pretty sweet. They look brand new. Well, you can always catch a lot of train action down here. It was pretty cool. We caught those 2 CSX trains, the double stack, and then the coal train with the snow on top, which was pretty cool. And then the Amtrak train that was heading in towards Washington, D.C. with those nice ALC 42 units that still look brand new. I'm not sure how old they are, probably a few months, but that was still pretty neat to see. And I was getting ready to sign off, and here comes another train. Oh, it's the trash train. when I was filming that trash train, I didn't realize when I just turned the camera around, part of the electrical box was in the way. So sorry about that, but let's try this again. Who knows, we might get another train coming by. So I think that's going to do it here from Point of Rocks, Maryland. And on that note, I don't hear a train coming. Travelers saying, see you by the rail.